In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to simplify your billing process and ensure timely payments, this guide is a perfect place to start. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't created an account yet, head over to the QuickBooks website and sign up. Once you're in, if you have an existing account, locate the Sign In button and proceed to log into your account. Enter your login details, click Continue, and when prompted, type in your password and then click Continue again. Once logged in, choose the company file you want to work with from your QuickBooks dashboard. Now that you're inside your chosen company file, look for the Settings icon, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and under the List section, select Recurring Transactions. This will bring you to the page where you can manage all of your recurring transactions, including invoices. To create a new recurring invoice template, click on the New button located at the top right of the screen. A drop-down list from the transaction type will appear, and here you should select Invoice. Hit OK to confirm your selection and open the template setup page. Now let's personalize your template. Give it a descriptive name, something that easily identifies the type of invoice it is. Say monthly consulting invoice. Afterward, choose the type of recurring invoice. You can select from scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled, depending on whether you want QuickBooks to send invoices automatically, remind you, or just prepare them for you. You'll then set the interval for your recurring invoices. This could range from every month to every couple of weeks, depending on your agreement with your customers. Don't forget to add a start date along with the end date if your contract has one. Next, add your customer details by selecting the customer from the drop-down list. Enter all relevant invoice line items such as products and services, quantity, rate, and tax information. It's also important to set your payment terms to make sure both you and your customers are on the same page regarding when payments are due. Feel free to add any necessary notes or attach additional documents if required. To enable electronic transactions, there's an option to enable online payments, allowing customers to pay invoices digitally. You can also add discounts or deposits should your transaction terms require those. Finally, after reviewing all the details you've entered, click Save Template to activate it. With your template saved, QuickBooks will now automatically create and, if applicable, send your invoices according to the schedule you've set. This ensures that your billing processes run smoothly and efficiently. That's how you create recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your billing for better business management. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.